In this task, we need to copy nautilus.txt.gpg file to this container, Ubuntu latest container. So it has some encrypted data in it. So if you do docker ps, now you can see a running container. So that's named as Ubuntu. So what you need to do, run the command docker cp for copy, and then the source file is /tmp, and then nautilus.txt.gpg, and then we need to give either we can use container name or container id. So I'm gonna go with container id, and then slash this colon and a slash, and then give the location. So we want to copy to /usr/src. Now it's been copied. Then how you can when you verify it, if you run the command docker ps docker exec -it and give the container id, and then just put the command ls-l slash usr and src. So it exists. We are running this command inside this container. Okay, so let's check the task results now. That's been done. Thank you.